Hi, my name's Dan and I'm a hairstylist. Today I'm going to show you how to create a really cool festival look using some micro braids through the hair and incorporating some cosmic hair rings. So we're going to be creating some movement through the hair using a wand. So we want to get some heat protect in the hair. We use the TRESemme Heat Protect spray first before we dried the hair. We also wanted to create a matte texture to the hair, which is great for that festival look. We used the Toni sea salt spray to do that, and then we dried everything in very softly. So we're going to work in quite large sections and just picking those up. Wrap the hair around once and just hold it there for a few seconds. And take that away. And we're going to repeat that all the way around the head. So again, third of the way up. This time, we're going to rotate the hair in the opposite direction. This will just help give a more of a natural finish to it at the end. So we've created that movement through the hair now. I just want to loosen that all up now, just using my fingers. So now we're going to work our braids in there. So starting through our side area, we're going to take a smallish section of hair and then work a very classic 3-strand braid all the way through that. And secure with a small clear elastic. Now working around the head shape, picking up a similarly sized section, doesn't need to be exact though. And if you don't have clear elastics available or any type of hairband in that way, or maybe you just want a very different kind of finish to that, you could always just use a comb just at the end, lightly back comb that, and that will hold that together. Just working on our last braid now. Now here's where we make those braids really pop. We're going to use this Superdrug exclusive Anne-Marie Rebel Rose Shimmer. Dab it directly onto the braids. This is going to give us a subtle shimmer and some real cool peachy tone to the hair. As we just finish working over that, you can see it naturally starts to pancake the braid out, so we didn't need to do that beforehand. And then we're going to work around just on a few of the braids. We're not going to do it on all of them. We're just going to pick out a few selected ones. You could do as much or as little as you like. Okay, so we've finished that last braid. Now we want to accessorize the hair. We're going to do that using these really cool cosmic hair rings. So very simple to apply. We just pull that apart, feed through, and push it back together. So these rings are limited edition and available exclusively at superdrug.com. Then just to finish it off, a little mist of the VO5 Tame Shine Spray. And there you have it, a micro braid festival look complete with cosmic hair rings.